thank you and yeah, even you for taking this thing for a spin. Check out this fake headline. It is the most powerful AI radio DJ. It's RoboDJ version 3. I really appreciate all your support. You have just been downloading this thing and having a bunch of fun with it. I am Jeff, the Radio DJ Dude, and yeah, the big bold announcement, sure, it's pretty powerful, but it is the only AI DJ that creates listener phone calls. And I have a whole other video that dives deep into that. And while these AI listener phone calls really do generate a lot of energy and engagement for your station, what could be better than real callers, real messages from listeners with an actual heartbeat and a pulse? That's what we're diving in today. RoboDJ's listener inbox feature. No other AI DJ has these things, so I encourage you to try them out. They may just, spark some creativity in you and allow you to do things that most other radio stations are not even doing right now. And the cool thing about this feature is flexibility. It could take a listener text message or a voice message and spin it into relatable and fun content. Yes, your AI radio DJ is gonna, take that message and incorporate it into a bit.
Triple X80's Tyler Stone here, and Earl in Topeka wants to wish a happy anniversary to his sometimes wonderful wife Cindy, proving love is best with a sense of humor on Triple X80's.
I'm going to show you how you could pull this off using both text messages and voice messages. Plus, I'm going to reveal a brand new feature no one has seen yet because I just wired it up and I'm going to let you try it. I think most of you, according to the time and date right now, are still within your free 2-week trial. So you'll have a little time to play with this feature. But listener inbox all begins on your radio station's website. And right up front, because this feature requires a separate server to process all these messages, there is a small added monthly fee. But with that, I'm going to give you everything you need, including these web forms. You throw one of these forms on your radio station site and boom, now you're in business. Now you could take either text messages or let your listeners record voice messages, which gets sent directly to RoboDJ's listener inbox. So let's go through this. First, let me show you how you could use some of these text messages. RoboDJ treats texts and audio files very differently. Over in the prompt library, this is a prompt that you're going to have something very similar to. And this writes a script for your AI DJ, whoever is on call over an air shift, to actually interact with that text message. And you see right here, there's these different variables that plug in specific information from each text message. From Jimmy, we have his name, the city, category's birthday, and the actual message. And then this prompt knows to write a script about all that, and the AI DJ will put a conversational spin on their text message. So it's a cool way to do a shout out from a real listener.
Triple X80's Pete Kelly here, and Jimmy in Oxnard wants to wish a happy birthday to his boss Frank, proving workplace morale is not completely doomed. Highly questionable career move, Frank. Now let's blast you back to the hits you should be aging into. Triple X80's.
Triple X80's Tina B here, sending a big sunny LA shout from Kim saying hi to her sister, proving sibling love sounds best with a killer throwback soundtrack on Triple X80's.
If your ears are digging what you're hearing, well, definitely, I want you to jump in. If you haven't already, take advantage of this free 2-week test drive. RoboDJ version 3, all the features ready for you to kick the digital tires on. And no, I'm not going to ask you for a credit card. No drama like that. It's friction free. Check out the link right here and plug it in and see what kind of magic that you can make. So I just showed you the text messaging, and coming up right after we dive into the voice messages, I'm going to show you how I upgraded the text message functionality to even bring it more versatility and make it more of an event on your station. But first, yes, everybody's favorite, audio, because at last check, that's what radio is all about. Now we're going to dive in to show you how you can actually work with real listeners, real voices. You just click start and let the dedication magic fly. Hey, it's Tony from Dallas, sending a big shout out to my good bud Steve. He's getting married this Saturday. Buddy, you still have a couple days to reconsider. Just kidding. Love you, man. So heartfelt. I know you could feel it too. Let's send this baby off. Get this into the pipeline. Audio received. Well, was it really? You're going to believe anything you read on some cheeseball, 80s radio station website? No, you shouldn't. Let's jump back to listener inbox, and right here, Tony's beautiful dedication. And a couple things have happened. Right when an audio dedication hits the inbox, it automatically will go and transcribe it and then analyze the message for any content restrictions. If there's bad language, hate speech, boom, it flags it and it does not pass it through to the DJ. It's Tony from Dallas, sending a big shout out to my good bud Steve. Oh yeah, it's definitely Tony. Back to the prompt library. This is the prompt that'll instruct the AI DJ how to set up that call.
X 80s, I'm Corey Michaels, and Tony has the mic. What's the word?
It's Tony from Dallas, sending a big shout out to my good bud Steve. He's getting married this Saturday. Buddy, you still have a couple days to reconsider. Just kidding. Love you, man. Honestly, I'm a bit perplexed while so few of you have even tried this out. I mean, I get it. Some of you maybe have smaller internet stations. You might not have a big listener pool. I get that. But for others who actually do have more than 10 listeners a day and you have a website, now a lot of this does require you to promote that this feature even exists. So you should cut some promos or have your AI DJs talk about, hey, if you want to make a dedication, if you have a special announcement, we'll jump over to our website. You can text us, you can talk to us, and we will get you on the air. So you definitely should promote this heavily to let people know that it exists. And then wind up RoboDJ and listen to the magic.
X 80s, Corey Michaels. Jay in Encino is calling in.
Hey there, it's Jay. Just wanting to send a big congratulations to my wife on her new job. Congratulations, baby.
Speaking of magic, oh yes, I have got some sweet launch bonuses to share with you. But first, let me change my shirt and I'll give you all the details. And for launch week, or maybe for the next couple weeks, I'm sweetening the pot. Yes, you're going to pay less, but you grab an annual plan and oh my goodness, you ready for this? You're going to get a limited edition Radio DJ Dude coffee mug. But if you go lifetime, and honestly, that's where the huge savings is, you're going to get the mug plus over 50 premium radio content prompts, my AI personality framework system, and a music bed and sound effects starter pack. So I want you to bookmark these deals, but first I need you to take it for a free 2-week spin to make sure it actually works for you. I don't want you buying it before you try it. You have been teetering on the edge of your inflatable futon long enough. I'm going to pull the curtain back and reveal this brand new feature. I just hooked it up and it has to do with text messages. Let's say you have a couple, 2 or 3 text messages come along and you want to integrate them all into one cohesive and entertaining bit. Your AI DJ is going to look in your listener inbox and find some unused text messages. They're going to look at, the content, what they're about, and then write a witty script tying them all together. Let's jump back in and let me show you this in action. And honestly, I haven't tried this out yet. So you and me are going to either witness the glorious success or the sad, explosive failure.
This is Corey Michaels on X 80s. Earl in Topeka is out here living dangerously, saying, "Happy anniversary to my sometimes wonderful wife, Cindy." Earl, you better have 80s power ballads and maybe some flowers on standby. And Jimmy in Oxnard keeping it classy with a big happy birthday to my boss, Frank. Iconic love, iconic birthdays, X 80s.
That is awesome. I dig that. And this totally fits Corey Michaels' custom personality profile. She's your pop culture bestie. Yes, you could go back into the prompt if you feel it's a little too much exposition for each message, and you could trim that down. So maybe the DJ just gets right to the point. But I like a little personality. Once again, personality is what gives our internet station some flavor compared to 98% of the bland offerings out there. So I wouldn't shy too far away from the personality vibe. Yes, maybe tone down the length. But again, like I was saying over here in AirShift, this is pop culture bestie. I've showed you this before. Other people are using this, and I get emails, I'm not kidding, saying their life has been changed because this totally fine-tunes Gemini voices to make them radio ready. The potential for custom sound has never been greater now with these custom, not only voice style prompts, which this shapes the tone of the voiceover, but the script style. And this is where the attitude comes from. So I wanted to test the dedication number variable. In the prompt, I have 2, but over in listener inbox, there's only 1 actively unused prompt, and it handled it perfectly. It didn't insert hallucinatory, extra dedications. And I really love what they did with that script. So let us plug Corey's mic back in and hear how she delivers this.
Corey Michaels on Triple X 80s. Let's go. Emily in Oxnard just slid into the inbox at the cutest vibe ever, saying hi to her boyfriend Steve and sending major good luck today. Steve, no pressure or anything, but the whole station is kind of watching now. You got this, Steve. Emily's got your back. We've got your soundtrack. This is Triple X 80s.
Oh my God. Wow. I love that. The whispering, just all the human emotion dripping from that track. That's pretty cool. Maybe a little over the top, but come on, once again, we're having fun, and all this can be dialed up or dialed down back in the prompts. I just added a brand new guardrail. Let's say you have this prompt scheduled and there aren't any fresh messages in your inbox and you don't want it to invent things. So now we have a rule that if it comes across an empty listener inbox, well, remind your listeners on how they could actually participate and leave their own messages. Head over to triplexx80s.com, drop us a message, boom, boom, boom. Let us actually test this because, once again, we are living this real time. Over in listener inbox, we're to plumb out. We hit the bottom of the tank.
This is Corey Michaels on Triple X 80s. Our listener inbox is wide open right now, and it is looking way too quiet for how iconic you are. Like you. Yes, you with the volume up. We need your drama, your dedications, your 80s stories. Drop a message, a shout, a crush confession, all of it. Keep the vibe locked. This is Triple X 80s.
Again, this just nails the personality of Corey Michaels. This is so good. Now, personally, I would go in and tweak some of the rules. I'm not a huge fan of saying vibe and all that, but this is her personality. When we have our monthly air check session, it's something I can bring up. And you can see all these acting cues that were dropped, which really just added more energetic life to this script. So damn. So impressed. And as a reminder, over in AirShift in the Personalities Profile tab, if you're kind of at a loss and you don't really know how to create your own custom personality, well, hey, we've got you covered. We have some AI assistants throughout the app that'll walk you through step by step to give you just the right sound. I am loving that multiple message function. Now, if you're in your 2-week trial, go over to system settings and app settings and just click, hey, is there an update? And it'll let you download the brand new exe file. Like I said, because we're having to use a third-party server to process all these text and voice messages, so there's a small added monthly fee. And you know what? I think I'm able to bring this down a little more. Right now, if you go to the website, it's $10 a month. But I'm going to work a deal with that processor to knock a couple bucks off. So if you want to give this a try, I'll give you 3 days for free, and then it's just $8 a month instead of $10. So all the details right down here in the description, and you could get to that link also in the app, in listener inbox, in the settings. And just boom, click it, and then go get your free trial and kick the tires on this. Just submit some fake messages while you're waiting for real listeners to come along just to see how this works and see how you can use this to bring more life and energy to your station. Okay, that's what I've got for you. Keep on testing this out. Keep having robo fun with RoboDJ and let me know what you're thinking. And there's so many resources online. We've got the setup wizard. We've got all those support videos to set you up for success. And there's even a free Google group if you have any questions. I really want you to be set up for success here. I want you to crush this and not curse it. Thank you for supporting my nutty little projects. I am Jeff, the Radio DJ Dude. And until our next little radio rendezvous, you Keep rocking those mics all over the world.